This project is called the Folded Nose Elephant. You can download the pattern and instructions for this at Pamela'sPreschool.com. For this project you will need to have some brown paper wrap, a white paper plate, two kinds of brushes. One is a cut up foam. This is the foam brush, and this is a sponge brush with a scrubber on one side. We just cut it into little pieces. You need some transparent tape, some colored markers, and some acrylic paint that is washable with soap and water, some scissors, and a stapler. To start, we make the elephant's face, and we'll make that with just a standard color of acrylic paint. I like to use blue. You can use any color that you like. And just have the kids cover the paper plate with the bottom coat. The sides of the paper plate make a fun pattern. This dries really fast on paper products. Just do a very thin coat right there. And it doesn't have to be totally filled in because we do want to have a little bit of color variation in it. Okay, that's what we do for the first one. The second one will be the texture. And you can have it flat or on the side. And I go ahead and just stick spots on it. The bumpier your sponge is, the better the texture is on the face. So something like that. And I'm going to let that one dry so I can show you what to do next. Here's the elephant's face, but we need to make eyes and a mouth on that. I'm going to do mine in black. Let the children embellish this any way they want. They can put hair bows on or eyelashes, whatever they like. And I put a big mouth on it right there. The nose is something that you will have needed to make before this project starts. I'll show you how to do that. These long strips are almost 24 inches long. Put them at 90-degree angles and tape them together. I'm going to do a little bit of origami here to make this folded nose. Elephants have a long, very flexible trunk, and I think the kids will have a lot of fun playing with this. To do the folded nose, you're going to fold each strip over. So I fold it over this way, and this one is now going to be folded over so that I'm always having a square in the center. I just move this so it's easier for me. You want to do this until it's all the way to the end. It will make about a 9-inch trunk. But when you get to the very end of this process, as you can see, I've got some folding going on there right now. When you get to the very end, you're going to have extra left. I folded my last piece, and this piece is longer, so I fold it up and just tuck it in to the very last fold. You can do this however it works for you, and just crease it really well. And then take a piece of tape and tack that down. Okay, so here is the folded nose. It's really fun, stretchy like that. You're going to want to have that nose right above the mouth. And staple it in the very center of the face so that it looks like that. But the elephant's not finished. It needs its big floppy ears. Once you've cut out that pattern, you'll see it's very large, but you want to gather it a little bit so that it fits on the paper plate. So I just do it like so, and you can wrinkle it like that. The children like to do that part. And you can go ahead and staple that in a few different spots. There's one ear. If they'd like to color the inside of the ear a little bit pink or another color, that works too. And now you have the folded nose elephant.